So the next question is, how do we actually start making tables in our database? I have a model right here which is, yes, I admit it, it's fairly simple right now. Maybe we should start normalizing the address should be somewhere else. Maybe we should. I'm just trying to show this as an example, and we'll start building up on it as we start working with the database in the next lessons. But for now, we just have a customer available. How do we make this table in a database? How do we create this in a database? It's fine that we have a customer right here, but right now it's just a list in the old repository. How do we actually make it as a real table in an SQL database? Great question. What you'll do is you'll use something called DB sets. Now a DB set is a very simple guy to make here. I'll make it public and I'll write DB set like this. And then again, because I have and you cannot find this if you do not have the NT framework installed yet, just remember that. In here I'll say I'm going to have a DB set of the type customer, right? Now I can't find the customer, and that is because I'm not using the customer right here from the app entity, so I'll just grab that package. There we go. Now we have a customer. And let's just call this DB set customers. You notice that is exactly the same name that you guys used for the DB set in the entity framework, fake DB. So that's now set up, but we of course need to make a getter and a setter since this is a property. So get set, there we go. Now we're actually just told the entity framework that we would like a table called customers. Is it that simple? Yes, it is. So that's what we need to do with the entity framework. Let's save this. Now we are one step further to actually using this entity framework in memory. So again, just notice that this is actually the list of customers, but we just created it inside the context here as something that will be represented as a database set. So meaning that it's going to be actually a table inside our program.